Today, you will learn how to stop pictures moving in Word. The easiest way to stop that is to change how the picture is placed on the page. First, click the picture once to select it. Then, look for the small Layout Options button next to the picture and choose Inline with Text if you want the picture to stay fixed like a normal line of text. This is the simplest option for beginners because the picture will move only with the text, not freely around the page. If you still want the picture to stay in one exact place, click the picture, choose Wrap Text, select one of the options. You can choose any option except for Inline with Text, and then select Fix Position on Page. This tells Word not to shift the picture when you type or move other content. Now your image will stay where you put it. If this helped, please like the video and subscribe.